everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone apps crashing after an iOS update using a few quick methods. Let's get started. First, open the app that keeps crashing. Now, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and completely force close the app. Then, reopen it again. Repeat this process a couple of times because sometimes the app just needs a fresh restart after an update. Next, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Here, tap on Update All to install the latest app updates. Outdated apps often crash after a new iOS update. After that, check your iPhone's storage. Go to Settings, then tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space available. If storage is full, offload or delete unused apps to free up space. Now go back to Settings. Tap General, then tap Software Update to check if another iOS update is available. Apple sometimes releases quick bug fix updates after major iOS releases. And if the issue continues, go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or personal files. And that's it. Your iPhone app crashing issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes, iOS tips, and troubleshooting tutorials.